Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that I ate in the last 7 days to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I have reached a place where I would like to stop losing weight for a little while, and so I'm going to show you how you can stop losing weight and still continue to stay in ketosis and keep being a fat-burning machine. If you're new here and you're looking for tips and tricks on how you can lose weight, don't forget to check out the playlists. I have a lot of playlists with videos on how you can get started and, of course, meals for fat loss. I'll definitely link that up in the cards for you. But if you're here just to see how I'm doing on maintenance and what I'm choosing to eat in order to maintain my weight after losing weight on keto, this is the video for you. Let's get to the food.
Alrighty, everyone. It is Sunday afternoon. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am having my first meal of the day. I am having chocolate coconut chaffles. I just melted some Julian Bakery dark chocolate and mixed it with eggs and a little sour cream and some sweetener and put in a little bit, 7 grams of shredded unsweetened coconut. And then I'm having 3 Falls brand sausages. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Sunday night, and I am having Quest Chip nachos for dinner, or Quest Chip taco salad. I have a bag of Quest chili lime taco chips. I think that's what they're called. Chili lime chips, and 4 ounces of 85-15 ground beef, a half a cup of lettuce, 4 tablespoons of pico de gallo, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 20 grams of olives, and a tablespoon of green onion, and a guacamole, holy guacamole, and a Primal Thin Bar. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday afternoon. It is a little afternoon. It's 12:30, and I am having my first meal of the day. I am having Quest Chip nachos. These are chili lime Quest chips with 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of 85-15 ground beef, 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of sour cream, same for the holy guacamole, and same for the salsa, 60 grams of each. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday afternoon. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm having my second meal of the day. I am having a keto cake from keepingitketo.com, a Primal Thin whey protein bar, 1 ounce of macadamia nuts, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and some Smart Sweets. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday night, and I am having chicken Alfredo with zucchini noodles. I've got 100 grams of zucchini noodles, a quarter cup of Ragu Alfredo sauce, 4 ounces of chicken, and 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm having my first meal of the day. Today, I'm just having French toast chaffles, which basically means regular chaffles with a little cinnamon and vanilla in them. So in these chaffles, it was 2 eggs, 40 grams of sour cream. I just do that to add the extra fat while I'm in maintenance. You don't have to do that. I used about 80 grams of quesadilla cheese and a capful of vanilla, a little bit of sweetener, and some maple syrup, some sugar-free syrup. And on top I have a 1.5 tablespoons of butter and some sugar-free syrup. And then I'm having 50 grams of center-cut bacon. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it is Tuesday evening. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and I am having my second meal of the day. I am having a Primal Thin protein bar. My kid already opened it, but she didn't eat any of it, so that's what it looks like. That 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a Quest cookie, and 1 ounce of macadamia nuts. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Tuesday night, and I am having a New York strip steak. I'm having a 6-ounce steak and 150 grams of broccoli with 1 tablespoon of butter, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Wednesday. I am having, for my first course of my first meal of the day, I'm having 3 of these real good jalapeno poppers. The outsides of these are actually chicken, and the inside's cheese and jalapenos. As you can see, I've a little overcooked them, and they exploded a little bit, but I have no idea if these are any good, but I'm going to try them anyway. Alrighty, and my second course is just my regular blueberry lemon chaffles. This is made from 2 eggs, 40 grams of sour cream, some sweetener, little salt, little cinnamon, little vanilla, and then basically 80 grams of mozzarella cheese and 21 grams of blueberries. And then on top, I have 2 ounces of cream cheese mixed with a little bit of erythritol and Mio water enhancer, the lemonade. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's 11 o'clock at night. Actually, it's 11:30 at night on Wednesday night, and I am finally eating my last meal of the day. I've been shopping and all doing all kinds of stuff. So I am just going to have some yogurt and a Primal Thin bar. So Primal Thin protein bar, and then this is a cup of 5% Valle Greek yogurts mixed with 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and 45 grams of chocolate chips Bake Believe brand from Walmart. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone. Today here I am at Commonwealth School, and I am having Quest Chip nachos. I have a package of Quest chips, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 6 tablespoons of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of salsa, a tablespoon of guacamole, and 4 ounces of ground beef. And that's going to be my first meal of all the stuff that I brought to the dance studio to keep me in some food. I don't know if I'm going to eat all of this, probably not, but this is what I brought with me tonight. I'm freezing to death. You'll be proud of me. Do you see underneath my food? This is a rice warmer bag that I'm heating up. Staying warm, right, Jasper? Mm-hmm. Alrighty, everyone. It's Thursday night, and I am having cream of chicken soup, basically. I have cooked up a chicken thigh in some water with a little bouillon and added 45 grams of onion and 45 grams of carrot. I meant to put celery in here, but totally skipped it by accident. I don't know how I did that, but it is what it is. So I'm going to eat it this way. And I put in 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Friday afternoon, and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or 1:30, I guess it is. I am having these Outer Aisle, I forgot what they're called. I am having these Outer Aisle pizza crusts, the Italian version, with quesadilla cheese, pepperoni, and a little bit of Lucini marinara sauce on them, and a cup of 5% Valle Greek yogurt with 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and some orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it is Friday night, and I am having 9 chicken wings from JCW's with the sauce on the side and ranch dressing. I'm also going to have a side salad, also with ranch dressing. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hey guys, here I am out. We've been at Nutcracker practice, and now I'm having a gas station meal. I am having a Quest cookie, a keto bundt cake from keepingitketo.com, a Primal Thin protein bar, and some Baconette pork skins. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Saturday afternoon. It's about, actually, I think it's 4:30 in the afternoon, and I am having a bacon and tomato sandwich with cauliflower thins from Outer Aisle. So these are their regular cauliflower thins. And then I have 40 grams of tomato, 5 grams of mayonnaise, 38 grams of center cut bacon, and 19 grams of mozzarella cheese, and a Slim Fast Keto mint fat bomb. And that is going to be my second meal of the day.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that some of the meal ideas in here will help you inspire you on your own keto weight loss plan. Don't forget to check the links in the About section below for a link to my Facebook group, where you can find free information on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. If you're not on Facebook, don't worry. You can just shoot me an email at ketochaos@gmail.com, and I will send you my getting started guide absolutely free. Again, I hope that you got some great ideas from this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we'll talk to you all again soon.